Hello, welcome to this week's weekly forecast. Going to kick off with some dollar pairs, look at some yen pairs, and then look at crypto at the end. Going to kick off with Euro USD. I'm still bullish the dollar, and that's going to be my foundations for the week ahead. I'll have different videos out daily just to go over a few other instruments that may pop up. But just taking a look at the majors here, Euro USD, nice little pullback. We are coming into this previous support, could turn to resistance, and we are also traveling in this bearish looking channel, so very bearish in this pair, and any targets will just be in and around the previous lows. So if we come up here, I'll be looking for some sort of bearishness to kick in and then look to sell Euro USD again. Pound, I'm sort of staying away from pound pairs for obvious reasons, but yeah, I'm still bearish in this instrument. I doubt I'll be putting any trades on pound pairs, but any retracement up into this structure resistance could see pound rolling over again. I don't know if this is the bottom or not, and I do not want to be buying the pound unless we do get some sort of structure shift and a shift maybe fundamentally as well. I'll keep an eye on this resistance here. Maybe if we break and reclaim this level of support, then maybe I would look at a change in my thinking, but at the moment everything is very bearish. Let's take a look at Kiwi. Very bearish, and we have this low in around 54680, which I feel that we could reach no problem at all. Maybe a lot of people bought this bullish candle, but I'll be looking at this from Monday. Any retest of that level, I'll be looking for selling opportunities. Any trades I take, I will post into the group as usual. But yeah, forecast for Kiwi is more downside. And it's the same with Aussie dollar, to be honest. That commodity currency is looking pretty weak. We got, is it a daily bearish candle? We have previous support here. Any pullback into there, I'll be down in lower time frames looking for selling opportunities. I think this candle low is definitely going to go. There's no certainties in trading, but I will be looking for that trade as it seems most probable at the moment. I'm going to stay away from dollar yen as I feel that we could see some yen strength coming in. I don't really want to pit two strong currencies against each other. Dollar being the main currency for me, but take a look at dollar Swiss coming into some resistance here. But if we can get another daily candle close above here and then come back and retest this level, then I'll be looking for higher prices just to take out this high and maybe even this high. If I was to choose, I'd rather go with Euro USD down. It's sort of yeah, half a dozen or which one you pick. Let's take a look at some yen pairs that I'm interested in. New Zealand yen, definitely interested in this. As you can see, support, retest, sold off, huge daily candle on Friday. Any retracement into these lows, maybe on Monday, I'll be looking for selling opportunities. This is my target. If I get into that trade, I'll let you know. Aussie yen was another trade I took, and it looks very close to breaking it out here. We do have support. This acted as support, close below it, any retest here, and I'll be looking for this low to go. So just taking it low at a time, but yeah, bearish on Aussie yen as well. CAD yen, if we can break out of this range that we've been in, let's just go down into the H4, you'll maybe see it a lot cleaner. Something that I've been keeping an eye on. Support. If we can break, come back, then CAD yen could be added to the mixer as well. It's just to see if yen strength kicks in or not. Those are the instruments I'll be keen on trading. Euro yen as well, coming up into some previous resistance. If we go out to the daily chart, if we reach up into this area again where we sold off, resistance, so something like this, then I'll be looking for some yen strength to kick in. Pound yen, not really interested in, just staying away from pound pairs, but at the moment we've broke structure to the downside, coming back and retesting, and maybe we could get another roll over. Not saying it's going to happen all this week, but you never know with the volatility kicking in at the moment. So best plays for me are dollar strength plays. Anything else that pops up during the week, I'm just going to post some daily videos on a few ideas maybe for the day. As you know, it's kind of hard to predict what's going to unfold for a whole week when everything changes in an instant, basically. So let's take a look at Bitcoin. Hasn't really done anything for me to get excited about, hence why I haven't really been talking about it. But yeah, this price action is not interesting to me. If I had to go with a bias, I am bearish on this. So if stocks, let's take a look at SPX. This low, I would feel needs to be reclaimed. So if we get back above here, then I'd probably look for more Bitcoin upside. But with this breaking, we could see a rollover in Bitcoin. And the level of support that I have is here, this low. So if we break below there, retest, then I will be selling Bitcoin probably down to around 16k. Ethereum, support, resistance. Looks like this is just chopping sideways as well. If we can break out, retest from the other side, then I'll be looking to sell Ethereum as well. We could look at this level. Resistance, support. Daily close, retest. Then I'll be looking to sell this, just taking it low at a time. So yeah, just want to keep that quick. A few thoughts on the instruments that I'm looking to trade, just a general bias. Things may change as we go along. We'll take it day at a time, especially in these environments, and I will keep you updated. But I'm wishing you a profitable week.